Did you know Zanzibar is famously called the Spice Island? With its rich history of spice trading and breathtaking beaches, it's one of Africa's top beach destinations, where adventure, culture and paradise come together. Welcome to Zanzibar! On the next week we will be exploring 3 incredible spots on the island: the historic charm of Stone Town, the vibrant energy in Kindwa with the full moon party and the dolphin tours, and the laid-back paradise of Jambiani Beach, perfect for kitesurfing and sandbathing.
We just arrived to Zanzibar this evening. We passed the visa check and the Tanzanian insurance, which is mandatory for everyone arriving to Zanzibar. We took a taxi for about $12 to Stone Town.
We are tired from the flight, so we will see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. We are diving straight into the flavors of Zanzibar with the iconic spice tour to the local plantation. They call this place the Spice Island for a reason, and we're about to find why.
A quick breakfast first, then off we go.
So this is a king of the spices, clove, okay, because it represents Zanzibar to be as a spice island. As you know, like Zanzibar is known as a spice island because of this clove, not because of all of spices that we grow here in Zanzibar, only because of this clove. So we take the dried one, we pound them. After pound them, we put some oil, like a coconut oil, then we mix together, then we are going to do massage. Very, very, very nice. There is a small seeds, as you see. So when you squeeze the seeds, the color will come out. Then
Zanzibar lipstick.
yeah, Zanzibar lipstick. This one is really young, so you cannot taste it. You see? This one.
How is it?
It's good, interesting.
What's the taste?
This taste is between banana, pineapple, and pineapple. Yes. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, hadi wageni mnakaribishwa, Zanzibar yetu hakuna matata.
Very sweet. Tastes like Coca-Cola. Karina, the queen of Zanzibar.
Now, King Karibu.
The spice tour was totally amazing. Our guide called Hashim explained every seed, every spice, how it's made and what it's used for. So totally recommended, very informative. This tour is a must, so make sure you come for the spice tour when you're in Zanzibar. We returned from the spice tour and now we're walking through the narrow streets of Stone Town. You can literally get lost here. On the 18th and the 19th century, this city was a major center for spice and slave market. The name of the city comes from the reddish corals that used to build most of the city buildings.
Walking through Stone Town, you'll see a blend of Arabic, Persian, Indian and European architectures.
Next door is Darajani Market, established in 1904. Locals call it Maritiki Kuu, which means the main market in Swahili. The market is mainly focused on food, from spices to beef, poultry and fresh fish.
It's a lively place to experience the culture of the island and take a glimpse into the life of the locals.
While you're in Stone Town, you can also visit Freddie Mercury's museum. Freddie was actually born here, so the museum focuses mainly on his childhood rather than his rise to the stardom. It's a small exhibition, and to be honest, unless you're a huge fan, it's probably something you can skip.
We are now at the Forodhani Park and this is where you want to come for sunset. This is the place where the locals hang out. The youngsters are jumping to the water from the pier, and this is also the location of the food night market. Some people travel to see places and Karina travel to see cats.
So cute!
I think all the guests from all the park came here
So I could pet them.
to get some cuddle.
We was a little bit hesitant to try the street food since it's sitting outside for a few hours, but we tried the sugar cans at Creston Place and it's so damn good that we ordered another cap each. You must taste it, it's so delicious and it cost only $2.
So anyway, tomorrow we plan the Nakupenda Island and the slave market, and see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, today we have a very tight schedule. We are planning to go to Nakupenda Island and then we will travel to the north of the island to Kendwa. But before that we want to go to the slave market exhibition, which was closed yesterday, and hopefully it's open today.
We are now at the place that used to be the biggest slave market in the world. Wow, it's wild.
In the 18th and the 19th centuries, Arab traders traveled deep into the African mainland as far as Congo to purchase and kidnap healthy young people. Over 50,000 slaves were sold here every year.
Today you'll find here an exhibition and the Anglican cathedral that symbolizes the emancipation from the slavery.
Our next stop is Nakupenda Sandbank.
We're skipping the famous prison island and heading straight to Nakupenda Sandbank. We wanted to go there yesterday, but because the spice tour, we missed the low tide, so we're doing it today.
Good morning, how are you?
How are you?
All good? You're
Yeah.
welcome in Zanzibar. We are going to Nakupenda Beach today. So we want to welcome everyone to come and visit Zanzibar. Today, something's going to happen in Nakupenda Beach. We are going to be in the middle of nowhere. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. A little bit windy and stormy today, huh?
Hakuna Matata.
Guys, we landed on the Nakupenda Sandbank. This place is amazing. I hope you can hear me because the wind is so strong. And as you can see, all this island is emerged under the water on the high tide. Now it's a low tide. The level of the water is going like 2 meters below. So if you want to visit here, plan your time according to the tides. One thing I want to mention, guys, make sure you bring your snorkel kit because there's a beautiful coral reef in the water. So we're gonna jump in the water in a minute.
Our stay in Stone Town has come to an end, and next we're heading to Kendwa in the north of the island. We had so much fun exploring the capital, and if you're visiting Zanzibar, you should definitely spend at least one day here. But trust me, the beaches in Kendwa and Paja are on another level, so stay tuned.
This was our 2-day stay in Stone Town. To see more videos of Zanzibar, click here and here.
And see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.